Gave this trade to you a few days ago on the bearish engulfing, tested the level, we got the bearish engulfing. Yesterday I said to you, you can add on the halfway mark. That happened very nicely. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Friday, 6 September 2024. Today I will trade long on the pound, the Swiss and the yen, and short on the Aussie, the euro and the US dollar. Let's kick off with the dollar index dropping like a rock now. Luckily that support level became resistance and dropping very nicely, giving us very good direction on the dollar. I've been staying short dollar. My mentoring group, we are well short on the dollar and looking very, very good there. So at this stage, it should come back down, find some support here. Maybe a little bit of a bounce before it drops down to the next level, which I showed you on yesterday's video. We then move to gold. Gold responding very well on the weak dollar. You can see the dollar was there at the third worst spot. Now it's dropping to the second worst, fighting with the Aussie, and nothing is going to beat the Aussie at this stage. But we had the hammer candle. I told you that you could buy some there if you want to, and it proved to be a nice entry. So we got the hammer candle. I like to see a new high. And the targets we've set at about 25.75 and 26.30. That's my two targets that I've set for these end of day trades. Let's hope we can break to a new all-time high. That would be really great, breaking the sideways range. As I said all the time, it's holding the recent all-time high, which is good news. Usually gold spikes through and then fell through back through the all-time high. This time around it didn't. It actually stayed, retested it once, twice. Bullish engulfing, hammer candle here, confirming those levels. So I'm very bullish on this. I really think this could fly big for us. So I'm hoping for the best here. My stop loss still down here. That one there, the same as here at 65, 24, 65. No chance of trailing the stop loss. Once we break to a new high, I guess I'll pull stop loss to entry. But for now, I'm just holding on tight, looking very good. As long as the dollar stays weak, I want to be long gold. Bitcoin under pressure. Yesterday, as I said, all the cryptocurrencies, we had the long lower shadows, which shows very good buying coming in. Yes, definitely, just to give up the next day again. Right, but that doesn't mean it can't go up from here. My trend tells me it's bearish. I think the sparkle has moved to the stock market. It's moved to gold. There's a lot of action on gold. So I think the cryptos is a little bit under pressure at this stage. I think there's a lot of focus on gold at this stage. So for me, not excited, not doing anything except for dollar averaging on a monthly basis. In the euro Swiss, I gave this one to you yesterday also. Shoulder, head, a little bit of a double shoulder, but breaking out now. We've got the euro in the red zone and Swiss in the green zone. So I want to be short here. I've got enough closes below. So now I would like to see a retest there and then a nice strong candle reversal. Once I get a nice strong candle reversal, I'll then enter the short with the stop loss above the candle reversal. And then my target would be the minimum target objective at this lows here. I took that distance from the head to the neckline and I added that to the break now, and that brings us down to this previous support level here. So definitely looking for shorts, but I'm going to wait for a retest. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then Aussie CAD, I gave this trade to you a few days ago on the bearish engulfing, tested the level, we got the bearish engulfing. Yesterday I said to you, you can add on the halfway mark. That happened very nicely. Came back there, gave us half a day to add to those levels there. So now I've got my full position. I got the position here on the close, I got the position on the halfway mark, and now I'm looking good. So let's hope for the best here. With the Aussie really bearish, I want to be short, so I'm going to hold on tight to this. CAD neutral, so this is not the best one to be in short on the Aussie, but that was the only one I could find. I am short. I'm hoping for the best here. If I can get a new low here, I'll be trailing the stop loss to that high. Let's hope for the best there. New Zealand US, gave this one to you yesterday. Told you the bullish engulfing there. Now with a long lower shadow here, you can pull the stop loss to that low of that long lower shadow, which leaves us with a few pips at risk still. New Zealand turned a little bit neutral zone now. So New Zealand is losing steam. It was up there for a long time. You can see a strong run, but I don't think it's going to give up that easily. but I want to be short dollar, and staying long here would give me that opportunity, staying short dollar. So I will stay long here, and let's hope there for the best. In the pound Australian dollar, we're forming a very nice triangle pattern. So I've got two I want to do here. Pound green zone, Aussie red zone. The breakout, a retest and a candle reversal that get me early into this early trend. Nice triangle, not confirmed yet, not structured yet. I need a close above, a retest and a strong candle reversal. Then I'm going to look for longs there. And the same here. If it fails up there and it comes back down to the 61% FIP right, the structure here. This is the area I'm going to look for some longs on nice candle reversals. FTSE, still looking for shorts here. Trend has just turned bearish. And if you look at the pound, very strong, that stock market bearish for the FTSE. So I would like to see a retracement. Other than that, I would like to see maybe this consolidation line breakout. It's not a consolidation really, but if I'm going to get a break and a retest, if I can get this price to come well below here, and then a nice retest and a candle reversal, I'll then also consider some shorts here. But the first price would be a quick rally up there, a nice strong candle reversal, and then I'll look for some shorts. Guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.